Hey guys, welcome to my channel, I guess. So we're gonna be unboxing an Apple TV 4K second generation today. So we're gonna get right into it. So Happy New Year to everyone, and I hope everybody gets well, I guess. So I'm gonna get a knife and I'm just gonna cut the packaging apart because it came with this plastic thingy, and it looks like there might be a box in here. I think that's a box for Apple TV. Um, yeah, so this is a box on Apple TV. I didn't know they come with a box for this thing because the seller never mentioned it. So anyway, the issue with this Apple TV is that the seller said it was iCloud lock, but Apple TV doesn't have iCloud lock. So I just take a gamble and see what happens. Now, I also need to buy a remote for the thing because it doesn't come with any accessories. Apparently, that's what they said. So let's open it and see if it has anything. The package is kind of hard to open, so let's try to pull it out. Okay, there we go, we got it. And the box is a bunch of tapes. Awesome. So yep, tapes on side here and side here. So we're gonna cut that open. I'll clean the box later because I don't like the box looking like this bad. And here's Apple TV. Pretty clean, I would say. No power cable, just the box. Oh, it does actually have a lightning cable, lightning to USB-A, and some Apple stickers. I didn't know it didn't have Apple stickers. I thought it was only from the iPhone and the iPad and MacBooks and stuff like that, because Apple Watch doesn't come with it. So anyway, let's put this back in a box so that everything is original. And I guess that's about it for the Apple TV, I guess. I will go back later once I sell the Apple TV. Let me go ahead and put back the box. Alright, and that's it for this thing. So, yeah, so that's about it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys later.